Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of the Prospector News Weekly Sports. I'm Luis Barrio. The UTEP soccer team this past weekend came away with the 1-1 draw in the record column when they went up against North Texas on Friday, and on Sunday went up against the Rice Owls. Friday, UTEP lost to North Texas, the #1 team in Conference USA, by a 1-0 score when the Mean Green scored in the 94th minute. However, UTEP had to regroup because on Sunday would come a tough match in the Rice Owls. The Rice Owls had come in on a brilliant 3-game winning streak, outscoring their opponents by a 13-0 ratio. The Miners would beat them at the hands of freshman Gianna Mullen, who scored a header in the 96th minute of overtime. The Miners have improved their record to 8-5-1 overall and a 2-2 record in conference play. For Mullen, it was her first career goal as a Miner. This past weekend, the UTEP football team was on the road in their first Conference USA game against the Louisiana Tech Bulldogs. UTEP Miners showed no life for the second straight week as they fell 55-3. Through the first 4 games of the year, the UTEP Miners had prided themselves on committing just 1 turnover. In the game against the Bulldogs, the Miners had 5 turnovers as a team, 3 interceptions coming from quarterback Jamil Showers, and 2 fumbles from the rest. The UTEP Miners now fall to 0-1 in conference play and 2-3 overall. It's homecoming week for the UTEP Miners, so they will find themselves against Old Dominion Saturday at 6 p.m. at the Sun Bowl. And finally, the UTEP men's and women's basketball team will have their first practice of the season. Both teams come in with optimism extremely high and are preseason favorites to take on and win their conference, if not compete at the top. For a more extensive look at UTEP sports and news, visit our website at theprospectordaily.com. You can follow us on Twitter at UTEP_Prospector and check out our paper, which comes out every Tuesday. Reporting for The Prospector, I'm Luis Barrio. Have a great week.